Date and oatmeal muffins. For this you will need 100 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, 75 grams of oatmeal, 50 grams of caster sugar, 50 grams of stoned dates, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup, 15 grams of butter and 150 millilitres of milk. First, mix all the dry ingredients together. With the salt, the baking powder. I like to sieve it in case there's any lumps, which there are. The sugar, the oats, and the dates. Make a well in the centre. Melt the syrup. The butter. And the milk over a low heat. All melted. Pour the liquid mixture into the dry ingredients and beat until smooth. Something like that. Spoon the mixture into a greased muffin tin. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at gas marked 6, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 180 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. Oh, try a little one. Not too bad, not the greatest, they taste okay. Would I make them again? No.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.